What is up guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the most easiest way to go from $0 to $100 per day as a complete beginner. And really, if you are going to do the work properly, you will start getting results in your first 30 days. So that's what in this video I want to share with you, and this is the exact method with which I made my first $100 online. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now guys, we are going to directly jump into the video, and let me share with you how you are going to make $100 per day. So basically guys, we are going to simply start making $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Okay, we are going to do this with affiliate marketing. The benefits of the affiliate marketing is this: if you are beginner, you literally can start with affiliate marketing, and literally you can start with zero money. With the zero money, okay, you just need an autoresponder and a landing page creator, and you are going to find the link of both of the free trials in the description. Okay, so just check that out and it will really help you, because if you are going to start making at least some commission, I'm not saying that you will start making $100 per day within just 30 days, but if you are going to do it right, you will also start making $100 per day in 30 days. Okay, but if you are going to do work, you will at least be able to pay for your online expenses. So now guys, we can start with zero money, and literally you do not even need to be an expert to start affiliate marketing. So that is why I think this is the most easiest business, and literally guys, you can start using this method to fund even other business. You can start this business, start making money with this business, and then you can start making start investing that money and start creating other businesses as well. Okay, so now we are going to directly hop into the process of getting things done. So basically we are going to do this with 100%, everything is 100% free. We are not going to use any paid traffic. We are going to do with this with 100% free traffic. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to simply start doing one thing. We are going to start providing value, because this is the #1 thing that you can do in order to start making your first money. So in order to provide the value, you need to help other people. You might be thinking, why should I help for free? Yeah, just because you are a beginner. Let's say if you are going to help 20 people to make their first $100 a day online. If you are going to help the first 20 people to make their first $100 per day, they will be mad at you. If you are going to sell them even a $1,000 product which worth only $100, they are going to buy from you just because you have helped them making your first $100. As a lot of people are just scamming, they are just not just helping. So that's what you need to do. They will be your die-hard fans, and you know, when 20 die-hard fans are having you are having 20 die-hard fans, you can even make a full-time income just with those 20 die-hard fans. So our goal is not to get thousands of members, but our goal is to get the thousands of, not just thousands of members, but the laser targeted die-hard fans. So now how you can get? Simply, the first thing you need to, what I need to tell you is, in whatever the niche you are going to do the affiliate marketing, you just need to learn something about that niche. It can be anything. For example, if you are going to do the affiliate marketing in the art and craft niche, so what you can do, you can simply learn something about the art and craft niche for free. If you can buy a course, that will also be good, but if you cannot buy a course, you can learn from the free from the YouTube, Google, and even from the Facebook by going in the groups, learning from other people. That's what you can do. So now if let's say you have learned something about the that niche, so now what you can do, you can simply go on the other social media, or maybe any website or YouTube or anywhere you are going to help other people. For example, we are going to go on the Facebook. Okay, so let's say I'm going to search over here for art and craft. Let's see, just art and craft. So you are going to see a lot of groups. Look at this, these are the pages. So we are going to click on the groups, and as you can see, this is really a broad niche. I didn't even thought that this niche can be such big. Look at this. This group is having 668,000 members. So what you need to do, you need to start joining these groups. Look at this. Just join these groups. Do not join this group. This is a kind of the this is not our group what we want. Just join this group, and start joining about 5 to 10 groups every single day. If you are new, just do not go more than 5 groups a day. When you are going to do this, after about some hours you will be approved, and when you have been approved, you will see that a lot of people are asking tons of questions. Look at this, 10 plus posts a day. If you are going to help 10 people in a day, at least one of them will come back to you. He will ask you, hello man, can you help me? Or if at all they are not going to come to you, they are at least going to check out your profile, because you have helped them in getting their answer. And now they are going to head over to their your profile. So on the profile, they are going to see that this guy is really seems to be an expert, because you need to provide the daily content regarding to your affiliate marketing. Yeah, probably my previous account was locked due to some reasons. I do not know what were the reasons. So on this account I haven't used that much, but literally you can see in the previous account I have worked so much that I have driven over 500 leads with just about I was having about 600 friends, and I was I got over 400 leads just from my single profile, because I was tracking this link. Over here. Okay, and from the groups I have generated thousands of leads from the groups initially. Okay, so those are not even considered, but just from the profile alone I have driven over 500 leads. So now when you need to give over here something like free training, and as you can see link below, so here is the link, or you can put the link of your free offer. For example, you can give them a free ebook or a free training, and in return you are going to collect their email. So the business starts with the email collection. As you are going to collect the email, you will start getting results. I mean, you can build a long-term relation. You can because the email is the the business will be in your control, because as my account was banned by Facebook, so I was having no control. But as I have generated leads from the Facebook, so now they are in my control, and I want whatever I can do with my leads. I can provide them value from time to time. I can help build relation with my list. So that's what my list, there will be at least, if out of my let's say if I have a list of 5,000 members, and out of those 5,000 members only 50 are my die-hard fans. Okay, so then you can literally start making a ton of money, because those are your die-hard fans. So now you just simply need to start providing value, start helping other people, start creating quality content as well. You can even head over to the YouTube, start creating the videos every single, if you cannot do a video, but videos are really the future, guys. Okay, do not just think that I'm not looking good, I'm looking bad. You can create videos like me. Okay, basically there is some issue with my webcam. That's why I'm unable to record. And yeah, it's been too while that I haven't recorded my videos with my face. Okay, so you can also create videos like this. There is nothing bad, because you just need to provide the quality content. Okay, because think about it, a guy is just having a face on the whole of the screen and he's teaching, and on the other hand there is a board where somebody is teaching. So which will be more effective? Obviously the board one will be more effective. So you need to remember, just start creating quality content, and I will tell you that do not just everybody focus just work on one platform. That's a bullshit, guys. Why? Just because if you are going to work only on one social media, if that is going to be banned, that is going to ban your account, you will literally be stopped from your business will go on hold for few days or maybe weeks, because it takes a little time to build up initial boost. So that's what I can say. At least start doing with 2 to 3 sources. Okay, just pick 2 to 3 sources. Without them, you are going to, maybe your business is going to come on the hold. So that's what I surely not recommend you. So what I will suggest you, just start with at least 3 sources. Yeah, 3 will not be less or more. It is really great. So now you are creating the quality content, and in return what you are doing, you are giving them the quality stuff, and you are going to give them the free offer where you are going to collect the emails of other people. Okay, so you are going to collect the email of other people, and thereafter we are going to give them quality emails. Okay, so this is where the most money is. I do not literally focus on the front end process, just selling directly from the landing page, stuff like that. I just focus on the back end stuff, because that's where the money is. Okay, and 99% of the marketers think that whatever the money they have made after this, they have made, and after that they cannot make money. But actually it's the wrong thing, because the most money you can make is in the back end stuff. Okay, so what I do, I literally just provide them quality emails. I generally use different kind of the email sequence, sometimes value, sometimes pitch. So what I like, what a lot of people are doing is 2 value emails, 3 value emails, and then finally after 3 valuable emails you can send them 1 pitch. Yeah, this is a pretty good offer. And what you can do, you can literally after 3 valuable emails you can pitch 1 product, and after again 3 valuable email you can pitch the same product. So you can give promote a same product 2 times, so whoever has not bought that product, he is going to bought that. So this is the simple process, guys. Let's say if you are having let's say in order to make $3,000, that means $100 per day, you need to make once. Let's say if you are going to just sell a $200 product, okay, a $200 product, so you just need about 15 sales to make $3,000. That means $100. So let's say if you are going to there is only 1% conversion, so how many people do you need in your email? You just need 1500 emails to make $3,000. And if you are going to do this, you will probably start getting huge amounts of traffic even from the groups. Look at this. If you are going to answer a person question, not only he will see, but thousands of other members are also going to see, and they are also going to visit your profile. And when you are going to keep on doing this, they will see that this is a very active member. We should also just focus on this quality content. They are going to start following you. They are even going to take your free training, because they really believe in you. So that's what I can say you. And literally, guys, if you want this in more detail, check out the link in the description, because there I have taught everything in the detail. I have shared with you 4 free traffic sources, and those are really pretty much insanely work. Okay, so I really think that this value has helped you. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and also I will see you in the training. Bye bye, tata for now.